Hello, my name is Abhinav from Team X-Force, and I'll show you a LMS system from the point of view of a student. So let's get started. So I'm already in a home page right now, and we have a login here. I have already logged in from my account, so it will directly take me to my dashboard right now. So this is the class that I have already joined, and I have an option of joining another class over here. I can do that. So let me just show you the pre-existing class that I have already joined. So this is the one of the testing subjects that was created by my team member Ayush Mukherjee. He made himself a teacher account and he's created this course. So to the left, as you can see here, I have the syllabus, intro to revise, submit, hackathon, appropriate, just some test, just for the testing purposes. Here's a little information here that says chapters in bold are marked as completed by the teacher. Then I have a material. I'm sorry, I just went by. I have a material here which is a link to a PDF which on clicking redirects me to a PDF here. So this is just some random PDF that my teammate put up. Going back, so here are the functionalities on the course page. I can I can ask a question or share something, like for example I want to ask a question like how to make a website, and I will post it right here. And there you go. 1 second ago Abhinav went in. You can add a comment to someone else's post, like online online class for May 27 2020 I started, please join. So I'll just type here, thank you for the information, comment. So as you can see, that has been published. Now other things, so we have covered mostly everything. Now we can go to view online class here. So if there is an online class that is scheduled to happen right now, you will be directly connected with it. Right now, since it's 11:35 p.m., no class is happening, but during the class you have the option of opening a whiteboard. So there you go. You have several functionalities in a whiteboard which will be mostly used by the teacher, and the teacher has the ability to moderate it. So he or she can either use it to himself or herself, or they can open it to the students also. Right now it's open to students. I'll just show you the functionalities one by one. So you can see this. You can draw an ellipse. There are many things you can type. Then you have an eraser. This is hand keyboard shortcut. Then you have a grid for plotting and stuff. It's an all in all whiteboard. It's, if anything, it's better than a whiteboard, as you can see. Now you can go back over here. Sorry, go back. So now I'll show you how to join a class. Now I have been given a class code by my teacher, who also happens to be my friend and teammate. Just a minute. Okay, there you go. So the code he gave me is TJNHC0. Join. So videography. This is an elective subject. Teacher is Walter White from Breaking Bad. It should have been chemistry. Phone number, cabin number, class tools. So as of now, he is yet to add anything. This is just a testing site, a testing course, just to show you how the join class functionality works. So that's pretty much it from the student point of view. Thank you so much.